So here we are, silicone case time for the S24 Ultra, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk, and here we have the MagBak silicone case for the S24 Ultra. Let's check this out. I have reviewed this case for the S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra, and all variants of them were pretty good, I must say. So yeah, I don't expect this to be any less, so let's check it out. So this is the black version, and then in the case, in the box, then we have this case, which is lovely, individual lens cutouts, which is very, very nice. And I must say, now everybody has been giving feedback on a lot of my videos recently about a lot of the cases that I've featured, and that a lot of case makers have become a bit lazy and they're just giving a P cutout instead of individual, you know, lenses like that. So appreciate the feedback, guys, and I'll try and feature more of what you guys are looking for, so thanks. So in the box then we also have this MagBak little magnet, which is their own little mountain magnet as well. If you want to stick it on the dash of your car, or if you want to stick that anywhere, basically, you can stick it wherever you need. And there is a alcohol pad for you to clean the surface before you stick it on. Pretty straightforward. So that's what's in the box. And first impressions then, so this is a black silicone, and the silicone on this does feel very, very nice. Now silicone is going to be a bit fingerprinty, but that's silicone cases for you, unfortunately, and it's black as well, so unfortunately that's just the nature of the beast. We have our plastic buttons here, and you can see there where the buttons are, it's kind of molded, which is quite nice. And then our cutouts and all that madness. And then on the inside then we have this little sort of plate which is stuck in, which will contain the magnets for the magnetic connectivity. So yeah, although, oh, look at that, you see that? The back plate's coming off. Maybe I've twisted it a bit too much. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. But now just stick that back down, that's fine. So there we go, so that's pretty much it. So let's just weigh the case. Bring in a trusty scale and just pop that on, and 77, oh, that's stuck, that's stuck to my scale, 77 grams. So it's not the lightest of cases, but I will say it is quite thick, and there is extra magnets in here as well, which will make this a little heavier. It's kind of the nature of the beast, unfortunately. But let's take the S24 Ultra and just pop it in. And yeah, that's really, really nice. So that lovely black finish, our buttons then, which are plastic, clicky, tactile, no issues. And as you can see, we've got our individual camera lens cutouts, which is very, very nice. In the bottom then we have our USB-C port and microphone cutout, speaker and S Pen, and you can see there it's been sort of smoothed down to that side to allow you to get the S Pen out. And S Pen is easily accessible, no issues there. On the top then there's the microphone cutout as well. So yeah, very nice case, it does feel nice. We'll just try our fitment test then. So we'll just take the corners and we'll give it a twist. The phone is secure, it's not moving out of there at all, which is what you want to see. Screen lip then, so with the S24 Ultra having that flat display, you can see here it is raised at the bottom and the top of the display, but the sides do come up over the glass, which I'm happy to see. A lot of case makers have sort of stopped flush with the glass, or maybe just a tad bit below it, but this comes right up over it. That's the kind of protection I like. So you set that down flat, that's not going to rough up your display. That's what you want. And if you look at the back then, so the case is completely smooth, and you can see there the lenses don't protrude out of the individual cutouts, which is what you want. So if you set that down flat, you're not going to get the lenses roughing up on your surface. And if I just have a little look here, it is very, very tight in around the camera lenses, but there is enough room for you to use lens protectors. So if you are a lens protector user and you want to stick lens protectors over them, you should be good to go there. You can see there is a little bit of space down the sides of the cameras, so that's a good job. So it does feel smooth, and it will absorb fingerprints, and it may be a bit slippery to use, but I do like the feel of it, and it does feel quite minimal, and it doesn't feel overly bulky. Like, yeah, it is a heavy case. Like if I If I just stick that on the scale there, the entire phone with the case is 311 grams. So yeah, it's maybe not the lightest thing to be carrying around, but you are going to get good protection there as well. It does feel like a sturdy case, and also it is MagSafe compatible. And just to show you the MagBak layout then, as you can see, look at that, I'm nearly going to need a bigger bit of paper there, see that? So we have the sort of MagSafe circular ring, as you can see, but then we also have these flat bits here as well. It's kind of make like a square, and that gives you more magnetic mounting points. So that's what that little magnetic bar is for inside the case. So you can stick that down and then you can use that for additional mounting, which is really, really good. And of course, because it is MagSafe, we can do a MagSafe test. So the last ones of these, as well as the iPhone cases that MagBak have done, the MagSafe on them has been absolutely fantastic. Like, you could tow your car with that stuff. I don't expect this to be any less, so let's check it out. Yeah, we'll just try that out now. So those magnets are okay. Can't really say too much about that now. That's pretty decent. They're strong as to be expected, but what I will actually try as well, because I have seen some people asking me in the comments, what is the power sharing like? So if we just, if I just swipe down and do the wireless power share, and if I just take, say, my AirPods, apologies, it's the only wireless buds I have, but that wirelessly charge. So you can see there the AirPods are charging, and you sort of have to sort of hook about a little bit to get the wireless charging, because the coils are a bit higher up on the Samsung. Because there is a lot of magnets in here, I am expecting this to interfere quite a bit. So let's just check it out. Oh no, well that's actually pretty good. With those extra magnets, I really expected that to be worse, and there's no interference there at all. So if we just take this stand, stick that back on, and oh my rip, look at that. So magnetic accessory on the back of that case, and no interference with the S Pen. Do you know what? I think that's pretty good. I think the plate on the inside of the case that contains the magnets is putting a little bit of layer between the magnets and the phone itself, which is then stopping any interference. So that's really, really good. And for completeness, I'll just kick a MagSafe battery as well. And yeah, same again, no interference. That is awesome. Fantastic. So there you go. Silicone case fans, if the MagBak case for the S24 Ultra is your cup of tea, I will leave you a link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. That'll be wraps up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. I'm gonna go, keep locked on the channel. I have a lot more content coming for you guys, and I have something really special lined up with the S24 Ultra. So stay tuned if you want to see more of that. And if you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessories, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.